In the ever-evolving world of e-commerce, mastering the shipping and payment modules is critical to ensure a seamless customer experience. Join us in this detailed video guide as we unravel the ins and outs of managing these fundamental components of your online store. Once you've accessed your website's admin area, head to the Modules and Shipping tabs. Explore a variety of shipping features by toggling options like All Countries, Show Inactive, and Show Not Installed. This provides you with a comprehensive view of available shipping choices tailored to your specific needs. Gain the freedom to effortlessly modify or remove modules to align with your preferences. Each module comes with unique settings, demanding individual customization. Click on the respective buttons to edit, remove, or translate modules as per your requirements. In the restrictions section, fine-tune your modules by enabling tracking options, specifying customer groups, countries, and website pages. Take advantage of the flexibility to change module titles and utilize translation options. This meticulous control ensures that your shipping methods seamlessly integrate with your business model. Now, navigate to the Modules and Payment section to explore online and offline payment modules. Similar to managing shipping, explore your options with All Countries, Show Inactive, and Show Not Installed. With a simple click, install or remove modules, arranging them to match your priority through intuitive drag-and-drop functionality. Upon installation, move to the Settings and Restrictions sections of each module for detailed customization. Configure payment modules to cater to specific customer groups, countries, and website pages. Modify module titles and use translation features for a seamless multilingual experience. By mastering these modules, you will not only provide your customers with a seamless shopping journey, but also optimize your backend processes. Stay tuned for more e-commerce insights and expert tips to elevate your online store to new heights.